Hey guys, today we are going to compare the Jbl Partybox Encore with the Samsung MX ST50B. Lots of you, my friend, asked for this comparison, and this is it. Both speakers at full volume, and both have bass boost on. Okay, so let's see which sounds better. My opinion at the end of the video. So after I listened to both, I want to say that the Encore has that sweet JBL sound with nice deep bass, nice highs and mids. It is more portable than the Samsung, and the Lightshow is better. But the loudness and the punchier bass go to the Samsung. So if you are a JBL fan, the Encore is the perfect speaker you can grab and go and have a great portable speaker with you in any environment. But if you want more power, then you go with the Samsung. And in my opinion, this battle was won by the Samsung MX ST50B. Okay guys, so if you like my video and want to support my channel, it's simple. Just hit that subscribe button and for sure more videos will come. See you next time guys.